Let's see one more interesting program. I have declared a constant integer variable named dimension, and I have initialized that variable by the value 100. I have done this job inside the file cpp103a.c. So remember that I am executing a program in C language. Name of the file is cpp103a.c. Is it clear to you? After this, let us observe carefully. The remaining part of the program is stored in second file. Let's open it. cpp103b.c, this file. I stored the program in the second file. Now observe carefully this program. So one part of the program I store in a cpp103a.c. Second part of the program I store in another file, namely cpp103b.c. Okay? Now observe this program. I written a statement extrn dimension. This is necessary because we have declared a dimension variable, a variable named dimension, in another file. What is the name of that file? cpp103a.c. Let us compile this program. Do you know how to compile this type of program? You see, I have typed one more file whose extension is prj, and this is your file. Okay? In this file I have mentioned names of both the files, cpp103a.c and cpp103b.c. For compilation of this program, we'll have to select project option. Press Alt P. Press enter and choose this file cpp103p.prj. And now compile the project by pressing Ctrl F9 key. See the output at DOS prompt. 100 is displayed. Is it clear? Understood what we have done? Now I'll show you the same program using Turbo C++ compiler. Okay? I am executing the same program using Turbo C++ compiler. I have declared a variable named dimension. It's a constant integer type of variable, and I initialize that variable by the value 100. Now let us see the second file. Observe the name of this file, acpp034a.cpp. Load the another file. The name is same, only changes b.cpp. Press Alt 2. I have already opened this file. Now see the content of this file. It is exactly the same. We have seen the working of this program in a Turbo C compiler. Now third step, click the project option, click the open project, and type here name of the project, say rvd.prj, and click OK. Again click the project option, add items. Which two files we want to add? 34a and 34b. So click this one and click add. So first file is added. Then again select the second one, click add. Both the files are added in our project. Click done. So we have created the project file in which there are two C++ files. Press Ctrl F9 key, and what happened? There is one error message. What is that? Your C++ compiler is not ready to identify this dimension integer constant. See, what is the error message? Undefined symbol dimension in module acpp034b.cpp. So in this file, this variable C++ is not ready to recognize. What is the reason? Let us open the first file and see the changes. What I am doing, I'll type here word extern. So this is a reserved word of C language as well as C++ language. Okay, and now press Ctrl F9 to compile the project file and see the output. 100 is displayed. Can you guess what is the reason? The reason is really very interesting. Constant in C++ is local to the file. It cannot be visible outside the file. So if you declare without using extrn keyword the constant named dimension, that is const int dimension is equal to 100, then this constant variable is visible only inside this file, namely acpp034a.cpp. But in C language, constant is a global. It is visible outside the file where it is declared. Is it clear to you? So remember this very important point. The constant variable is local to the file in case of C++, while it is global to the file in case of C language. Thus in C++, extrn keyword is needed at the time of declaration of constant variable. That is why I have added extrn, this keyword over here. In C language, it is not at all needed. And that is why if you remove the extrn keyword from this place, your C++ compiler will generate an error message. Is it clear to you?